Okay, so we are here with Alfred. Alfred's going to walk through on this job. What did you say? What did you do? All right, there we go. That's Alfred. And he's going to walk through and give you guys a look at the before footage of this job that we're on now. Don't forget this area here. There you go. And walk the people through it, Alfred.
Yes, sir. All righty, we're going to power wash this concrete surface with pavers on here. We're going to clean this all up per the customer's request. And there's Alan right there. I'm getting ahead of Alan right now. We're going to power wash all of this in this boat dock right here where they got a little table to eat. More chairs to go around the table. We're going to clean this off right here. All this tin roof.
All this and all of that down there before I get there.
And walking back all the way down. All the railing. All of the tin roof again. That's protecting the boat dock. There's our customer taking a video for YouTube. Yeah, so we're gonna clean all of this railing. Clean it all up so there's nothing, no rocks no more, nothing like that. We're also going to clean this canoe, clean the bottom down there, clean all the debris we're pushing over the side. And there's Alan way over there, right there. Yeah, I got to come back. Yes. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
Where you're at.
Right. Gotcha. Walking down the stairs right now. We already cleaned that up right there. Today we're just getting ready for a party for Saturday. Cleaning all this walkway, the railing. We already cleaned that stairs coming down. Cleaning this right here. We're gonna clean this into the water. We're gonna clean over here in the bottom of this boat right here, Poontang. Gonna clean all of that up. And of course, clean all of this. Coming around the corner. Gotta clean all of that up right there on the boat and also the walkway. So you see how dirty it is. We're going to clean all this runoff right here, this hard clay. It came from above. We're going to clean all of this stained concrete. We're going to clean. We're going to also clean these kayaks. I couldn't remember what the name of these. I call them little canoe boats, but they're kayaks. All going to clean up. You can see how dirty it is. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I just want to show you guys what we're dealing with here. The gentleman wanted us to clean all of the red surfaces. This is stain, is what this is on these surfaces. Somebody came out and stained this surface for him. You can see the reddish color of the wall and the flooring down here by this dock. And he's got the same thing up there on his deck as well, up on the upper part. This red stain that they applied to this surface. The problem is all of this that looks like dirt that we're blowing off of here, that line of what looks otherwise like dirt, that's stain. Because whoever came out, I mean, you can see this, I think you can see that squiggly line right there. Somebody brought a pressure washer down here and they were going to pressure wash this. I think it's the owner that hired us. Came down, and there are marks like this all over these, all over the surfaces here. There are marks like that because whoever came out here and put this stain on the surface didn't seal it. So the stain is blowing right off with the pressure washing. It's blowing right off the surface. And I talked to him and told him, he said that the company didn't put a seal on it, and he's aware of it, and they're coming back out to redo it. But in the meantime, we have to clean it. And what I thought was dirt, I touched it when it was dry with my fingers, and it won't come off my fingers. See, you have some clay. You have some some of this red clay stuff out here. But what we're seeing right here is not red clay. This is stain coming off of this surface because whoever applied put the stain on the surface didn't seal it. They didn't seal it. So it's all coming off. We're going to go ahead and clean up his boat on the bottom a little bit there. The pontoons, we'll clean those up a little bit for him, and we'll spray this surface off. But, you know, what looks like dry dirt is not dirt. It's the stain. So he did tell me that the company who did it, who committed this crime, are coming back out to redo it, which I sure hope they do, because this is just shoddy work, man. I mean, who puts a stain on a surface and doesn't seal it so the stain don't come up? That's just crazy. I've never heard of anyone doing that, but here we are. We got Alfred on the wand up here, wanting to stay busy. That's his motto, staying busy. So here we go.
Here's Alan cleaning. He's using the green tip because the sidewalk was, or the walkway was stained. You don't want to take the stain off. And that's the reason why we're using the green tip. Giving Alan some more slack up here. We're also rinsing off these kayaks or canoes, however way you want to remember them by. We're cleaning all this runoff that came up from up here that contractors put, and when it rained real hard, it just kept on coming. Okay. Need a little more? Just to show you the Great Wall out to the lake, in Kingsland. And now in there's power washing the rock, gravel, sand. Cleaning the patio with a green tip because the concrete has been stained. You can't use a yellow tip because you'll take the coating off of it and possibly into the concrete too. So using a green tip, and we still have to be real careful. We can't get close to it. Some of the dirt doesn't want to come off. It's on the coating. But you just got to approach it from a distance and slowly work toward it. That's it for it. That's what say, slowly move your way toward it. I guess it's my language. As you move forward, you can see some of the dirt that's grinded in there. Takes a little time getting it off, but hey, we give good quality work. And we're also cleaning the patio furniture too. Just got to hit it real lightly. Alan found the cover to the chair underneath the table. So he got it out from underneath the table, put it on the chair, so then he's just going to rinse it off. How clean the floor's coming. Okay.
Okay, see, this is what we were talking about. We had some spots where it looks like this is dirt, but when in all this, it looks like it. You think that's dirt, don't you? Okay, but that's not dirt, because when there was a big pile of it right here, a gathering of it, and we blew it off, and here's what it looks like. This is what it looks like. That is not dirt, folks. That is stain. That is stain. You can go ahead and blow that off if you want. See, that is not dirt. Dirt doesn't do that. Once you blow dirt off of a surface, you know, it's pretty much stays off. But this stuff, once it dries, when the surface dries, you can see where the stain is lighter in places. That's because they didn't put a sealer on here to protect this. There's no sealer. There's just stain on the concrete, and every time you try to clean it, it loosens it up and it looks like dirt. But that's not dirt. Here, look at this. Look at that. See that? You think that you would think that might be dirt, right? But look at this. Look at this. Okay, now dirt would just simply wipe off my fingertip. But that stuff ain't coming off. That stuff's staying on my fingertip. That's stain. That is stain. Stays right on your fingertip. Look at that. Doesn't come off. Dirt don't do that, folks. Alfred, what do you say?
That's not dirt, it's stain.
That's stain. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna get the owner. We're done. It looks good, it's clean. They just have all this loose stain on here because, you know, and they might take a broom and try to sweep this off or something, but that's not dirt, folks. Dirt don't stick to your fingers like this. Dirt don't do that. I've dealt with enough dirt. That's my business.